How to send money on Cash App without identity verification. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Cash App without going through identity verification. If you want to send money without verifying your account, I've got you covered. First, open a Cash App. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Before we start, it's important to know that Cash App has limits for sending and receiving money without completing identity verification. If you don't verify your identity, you can send up to $250 per week and receive up to $1,000 per month. Now, to send money, you need to add a payment method. Tap on the banking tab or the add bank button to link your debit card or bank account. Next, tap the dollar sign icon at the bottom of the screen to open the payment screen. Enter the amount of money you want to send and tap pay. Now choose the person you want to send the money to. You can either select a contact from your list or enter their phone number or email address manually. Once you've selected the recipient, you'll be taken to the confirmation screen. Simply tap confirm to send the money. And that's it. Your payment is now complete. You've successfully sent money without verifying your identity. Just keep in mind, once you reach your sending or receiving limit, you won't be able to make any more transaction until the next month or the week, unless you complete identity verification.